Welcome to Springboard! You found a social and behavior change community that has everything you need to make your work more successful. If this is your first time exploring Springboard, you'll quickly see that this is a place where you can advance your skills, connect with leaders, and get inspired. If you were a member of the first Springboard, you'll love Springboard 2.0, a new streamlined version where it's easier than ever to interact, search, post, and respond. Let's see how to make the most of our latest version of Springboard. Your profile is a critical part of the Springboard community. It's the key that unlocks all the opportunities the community has to offer. If you're already registered, then you've started to set up your profile with the basic information including contact, location, and how you see yourself contributing to Springboard. Finishing your profile is easy once you're logged in. Simply click on your profile picture and select My Profile. Here, you can personalize your profile picture, your cover picture, your current job title, your CV or resume, and if you click here, you can also upload a portfolio of your work. If you have an existing LinkedIn account, you can just import it to make it even easier to set up your Springboard profile. It is also important to list your skills and interests so that people with similar interests can connect and so Springboard can give you content that is tailored to you. Springboard has some amazing features that allow you to easily share, find, and connect. The live activity feed is where you'll see what community members from around the world are up to. You can jump right into the action whether you want to share what you're working on, where you're traveling, events you're going to, or ideas that inspire you. You can find these same options from any page on Springboard by clicking on this plus sign at the top. Know someone that should join this community? Just click Invite. Every post can be as simple or detailed as you like, with options to add links, videos, and even attachments. And a really neat way to get the attention of certain people on Springboard is to notify them. Find the Notify button just before the Publish button and search for the members you want to notify, all without having to leave your Ready to Publish post. When sharing is this easy, why not share something every day? Members log in from around the world. You can find them here on the Members page. You can do a filtered search to find colleagues and discover new connections. When you want to join a group that focuses on a specific SBC cause or country, you can find them here on the Groups page. Explore and join as many groups as you like. What if you want to dive into discussions with all members to get a multidisciplinary perspective on the topic? You can do that here on the Discussions page. It's easy to find out if a member has already started a discussion you want to join by using these filters and categories on the left. These discussions are perfect spaces for in-depth conversations, ideation, and problem solving. In this community, the learning opportunities never end. Search through jobs and professional development, access SBC experts through online and in-person events, like conferences, or live question and answer sessions. Springboard facilitators also constantly post cutting-edge SBC news, themed monthly content, and links to outstanding tools via the compass. Almost 9,000 members from over 70 countries have already used Springboard as a launch point to connect with and learn from other SBC professionals. Your involvement adds value to the community. Start by introducing yourself on the new member introduction discussion. And check out the Springboard mobile app to access the whole community on your device. Something new on Springboard is waiting for you every day. We hope to see you there.